Welcome to the first episode. My name is Aitel from Layups.com, and today I'll be sharing some thoughts with you on what I bring in my bag when going for practice. First off, the bag itself. Make sure it's big enough to fit all your belongings in there. This one, I had it custom made in the Nike ID store. It's really big, and all the stuff I'll be showing you now easily fits into this bag. It's around $100, a little bit pricey, but totally worth the investment. The most important thing to take is water. Make sure that your body stays hydrated during practice sessions or games. Therefore, this is the first thing I put in my bag each time I pack my bag. The next thing is having the correct sneakers. Make sure they fit well, they are comfortable. There's nothing more annoying than having shoes that don't fit well when having practice sessions, no matter the sport, but especially in basketball. You have quick sprints, stops, jumps, so make sure the shoes fit well and they are really comfortable. Next, don't forget to bring your practice jersey and the shorts. These are dry fit shorts, so they transport the body moisture away and keeps your body dry, so this is really cool. Next thing I have is a hand towel. For the breaks I just wipe off the sweat, keep my body dry, and this is definitely something I don't like to have to miss in my practice sessions. Usually people also bring sweatbands, wristbands, girls bring hair clips, so if you have long hair, make sure you don't forget those items, very important. Another very important thing not to forget, if you are using medications, like you have asthma treatment or something, make sure you put your medications in the bag in a separate compartment or in a little plastic box, a Tupper box or something, so you can get a hold of it quick if you need for it, so very, very important. Once the practice session is done, I bring a fresh pair of underwear and a t-shirt, and there's nothing more annoying, or the other way around, there's nothing more enjoyable than having a fresh, a really good shower and having a fresh feeling after the shower, and then wearing fresh clothes. So this is really, really important, at least for me. I always shower in the gym and dress my fresh clothes in the gym. Some people go home directly from the practice session, but I like to shower. Therefore, fresh clothes is really, really important. Then of course I have this little bag here. I have my shower gel in there, my deodorant, and I have it in a separate bag because I don't want it flying around in the bag. What is really, really important, and I never ever forget, it's my flip-flops. I always bring them because I don't know if you have made this experience. When you're in a shower and you have hair or stuff in the shower and they stick onto your feet, I really hate that. So I always take my flip-flops. As you may know, I'm not only a player, but I also coach a women's basketball team. So what I bring in my bag as well is my coaching equipment. I bring a ball pump, very important. I bring my coaching notebook to write down thoughts or ideas I have during the practice session. I bring my whistle, of course, very important to having the girls under control in my team. I bring my clipboard. You might have read the review about this KBA clipboard. I really love it. I have been using it for around 5 years now. But the most important thing is I have the first aid bag, which goes into my duffel bag as well, with eye spray, kinesio tape, ice packs, blasters, you know, scissors and stuff like that. This is very important because you have a legal responsibility as well for your players, so it's always good to have a first aid bag there. Okay, what else? Oh, yes, of course. I forgot earlier, I always bring my rope, you know, for warming up. Best thing you can do to get your heart pumping. And of course, I bring my basketball as well. Check out the review for this one. And that's basically it. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to the next episode with you. And please share your comments below. Thank you.